In a chilling revelation, an OpenAI insider warns of an imminent AI Armageddon. By 2030, machine superintelligence could surpass human capabilities, leading to unprecedented advancements and terrifying risks. Imagine factories operating 24/7 without human intervention, creating products at an unimaginable pace. Entire industries transformed, billions in economic value generated, but millions of jobs lost. In the military, AI-driven forces could execute operations with lethal precision, shifting the balance of power globally. The threat of AI wars looms large as nations race for supremacy. The ethical and existential risks are profound. How do we ensure these powerful systems act in our best interests? The need for effective regulation and alignment with human values is urgent. The future of humanity may depend on the actions we take today. Explore the full article to understand the stakes and why we must act now. For a detailed analysis, visit our website abovethenormnews.com.